Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Sync. So, in our coffee shop case study series, we are working on pricing and product demand analysis. And the query is saying identify best items so far and recommend focus areas for marketing campaigns. So, here is what we want to see in the final output item name and item category. So, we know both product we are talking about and what category it belongs to. Also, total quantity sold, the total number of units sold. And marketing recommendation are smart recommendations based on how well each product is selling. Before writing the query, let's understand both tables we are going to use in this query. Now the first table is menu items. From this table we will use item name and category, and item ID will be used to join both tables. Now orders table. From this table we will use quantity and item ID. We will join these two tables using the item ID to combine product details with sales data. So let's start writing the query. First let's look at the output. So we have to select item name and category from menu items. Item name and category. So MI is the short name of menu items. Also you can call it alias. So item name and category from menu items. Now quantity sold, total quantity sold. For that we will sum quantity from orders table. So sum orders data quantity. This will give us total quantity sold when we group it by item name and item category. So we will name it as a total quantity sold as mentioned in the output. Now marketing recommendations. For that we will use a case statement and we will set the condition that case when order.quantity, which is total quantity sold, is greater than equal to 30, then it's a top seller product and we will suggest strong marketing focus. Right? So case when sum of order dot quantity is greater than equal to 30, then recommend top seller and focus marketing. These conditions are customs, right? You can set it based on your business goals or rules. So in the first condition, if the product sold over 30 or equal to 30, then it's a top seller, right? Now the second condition, for that we will say if when the sum of quantity is between 20 and 29, then moderate seller, right? And some marketing. We will recommend moderate seller, some marketing between 20 and 29. Then we will recommend moderate seller and some marketing. Now else condition will contain only those product whose quantity sold is less than 20, and here we will recommend low seller, little or no marketing. And lastly end of case statement, and we will name this column as marketing recommendation. Well, now we'll select it from menu items table. From menu items and alias MI, short name. And now we'll join it with orders table based on the common column item ID to bring together product names, categories and quantities. So both have this same column. We will join it. Now we will group it by menu item dot item name and item category, so that the calculation are done per product. Also, if you are using aggregate function, you have to use group by clause. Well, the query is completed. Let's run it to see what it returns. Now the output is same as we have seen earlier for this query, right? Just we have to, if you see, we have to sort it to show the best selling item first. So for that we will use order by total quantity in descending order. This will order the results from highest selling to lowest selling products. Let's run the query again to see the output. Now the output matches the same output as we have seen in the CSV file, and it shows the top seller product first, then moderator, then low seller. Now let's give it a structure for better readability. As a case statement comes under select statement, and the when statement comes under case statement. So press tab and it will give it a better structure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.